died for peace, freedom, courage, and pride. Forever they will roam in the eyes of their people here at home, in the eyes here at home. In memorial, I sing to you, I bow my head and salute you too. My native brothers, you've died in Vietnam, but heroes you are here in Guam. You're fighting sons from Guam. He went to Vietnam to seek his fighting sons, to wish them well, the soldiers of Guam. Call out their names all over Vietnam, saying, I wanna see my sons of Guam. I wanna see my sons of Guam. He said, Hafa Adai, my sons, how do you do? My name they call me, Governor Camacho. I came to see you, brought a message for you from the people of Guam, my son, your island in the sun. He flew from Saigon up to Pleiku just to wish his sons there Merry Christmas too. Then Nang, Nat Trang, Long Ben and Ben Watu. Hafa Adai, how are you? Amran Bey, Merry Christmas to you. Well, my sons, you're not forgotten. This I'm glad to say, I brought you a gift from home. Your families and your dear friends I bring to you. They would like to wish you Merry Christmas too. Merry Christmas, my son. They joke and cry, they held their head with pride as they gazed at their presents side by side. One young soldier said, Mr. Governor,
thank you, Lloyd.
You made my Christmas so great, oh so great. You made my Christmas so great. 400 or more soldiers he met, Jesus, Mike, Joaquin, Pedro and Alfred, Antonio, Jose, Manuel and Robert too, shaking hands saying, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, my son. Others Jerry and Ron, Billy and Juan, Theodore, Joseph, Jesse, William and Big John, Albert and Pete, Tony and Benny too. Right out and say, we thank you, Governor Camacho.
Thank you, Governor.
We thank you, Governor Camacho.
Ako malikat po.
18 de diciembre, humano pa Vietnam, o bisita isendalus, ni man tao to Guam, a faisen Shaman Marcus, mongila lahin Guam. Mongila lahin Guam. Dress meat na mitas, size meat na libras, pinanaw niya dyan kadganya, susili i-Christmas, mega kanta dyan paketi, po presenta todo siempre. Isendalos, tao Guam, di tanu Vietnam. Antes di hano ikabietno, mahagang siya'y manayin, po pangentos kita recorder, pailalahin niya. Kada dani na sinyanya, ano kukumi na lago niya. Sabi Diyos, i-corazon niya, anamilalan lago niya. Panmanay si Jesus mahasi, todos hinitaw Guam, sa peligro hinaw niya, wala balak ang todo bam. Hong gizu todos, 5-6 días ni natmam, anamonoham, pa Vietnam, inahangnud sa ni sablan. The day has come to part when we must all say goodbye. But the spirits are high, my son, and and we'll be back, he cried. We'll be back, he cried. Now I must say adios to you soldiers of Guam. Just remember, we're proud of you, my son. A short adieu, we'll always be thinking of you. Just come back home, my son. Just come back home, my son. He went to Vietnam to seek his fighting sons, to wish them well, the soldiers of Guam. Call out their names all over Vietnam, say, I wanna see my sons of Guam. I wanna see my sons of Guam. He's a man of distinction, a man with a mission, with no intervention to stop his intention. He's a soldier of Guam. He's a soldier of Guam.